Hey everyone.
My name is Hassan Monetize. Welcome back to my channel. Did you know you can make passive income on YouTube without filming a single video? That's right, in 2025, YouTube automation is one of the best ways to earn $5,000 a month or more. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up a profitable YouTube automation channel step by step.
Let's dive in.
What is YouTube automation? It's a strategy where you outsource tasks like video creation, editing, and uploading to freelancers or AI tools. You focus on managing the channel and scaling it, while the team handles the heavy lifting. Think of it as running a hands-off YouTube business. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche in 2025. Niches like personal finance, tech reviews, and self-improvement will dominate. Use tools like Google Trends or TubeBuddy to find trending topics with low competition. Remember, the right niche is the foundation of your success. Step 2. Hire a team or use AI tools. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great for finding affordable video editors, scriptwriters, and thumbnail designers. Alternatively, use AI tools like Pictory or InVideo to automate video creation. This saves time and keeps costs low. Step 3. Monetize your channel. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, apply for the YouTube Partner Program. You'll earn money from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Pro tip: use affiliate links in your video descriptions to boost your income even further. Step 4. Scale and automate. Post consistently. Aim for 2-3 videos per week and reinvest your earnings into better tools or more team members. The more you automate, the more passive your income becomes. Imagine earning $5,000 a month while focusing on other projects. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making money with YouTube automation in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, this strategy can help you build a passive income stream that works for you. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, so you don't miss my next YouTube automation hack. Drop a comment below. What niche will you choose for your automated channel? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.